Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are introducing the distinct node of polyanalyst. This tool allows us to select unique rows based on the values of one or more columns, serving as a key. Let's dive into it with this car info dataset. We've got a total of 398 rows to work with. Now, if we want to know how many records are there for each region, we can go to the distinct node. Designate the origin column as our distinct key and select this option. Then it produces a dataset with only 3 records. And each of them represents a region: Japan, Europe, and USA. The distinct node can be applied to many data processing tasks, such as pinpointing the most significant data within the dataset. Let's say we want to find out, among all the vehicle models produced in each region each year, which of them has the highest weight. In this case, we can use the distinct node and the sort rows node as a combination. First, we sort the records based on these 3 columns: origin, year, and weight. The sorting process will be executed from top to bottom. And we can choose if it's descending or ascending. Okay, so let's check the results. We can first see that the USA records are all on the top, followed by Japan and then Europe, because we sort this column from letter Z to A. For each region, the years are listed chronologically, and the vehicle's weights descend from the highest. Based on the sorting method, we create the distinct node. Here, we use the year and the origin column as the key and get what we want. In the result, the first row indicates that among the 22 models produced in the US in 1970, this model's weight is the highest. Okay, so that's all for today's introduction on the distinct node. Thanks for your time and see you in the next video.